Hello, today I'll show you how to make or add a player health and level system into the Brick Breaker game in Scratch. As you can see, these are health indicators and this is the level. And if I start the game and not catch the ball, then I'll lose a life and I can relaunch a new ball. And if you manage to not catch all three, then the game will end. And if you manage to break all the bricks, then a new level will start. As you can see, if I complete the game or the level, as you can see, a new level will start, and with different or harder blocks or bricks to break. So let's get started. First, go into your Brick Breaker game and go and create a new sprite. Name it Lives. Then, in Costumes, click the bitmap. Then zoom in really far and use this brush tool. Make the fill white, make the size 1, and create a pixelated heart like this. As you can see, and then fill it in carefully. Or use the fill tool. Then zoom out, zoom in a bit, select all of it, and resize it. Then convert back to vector, place it in the middle, and zoom in until it's at a good size, like this. Then with this, use the line tool and create an outline for it. And press shift to make straight lines. And at the last part, connect this. Then use the reshape tool to re-straighten it. Then make the lines go to the back and make it a good size and a darker color, like this. And once you're done, go into code. Now in code, when green flag is clicked, hide, then go to -220 to 160, so then it's around the corner if you show it. Then create two new variables called ID for the sprite only and player health for all sprites. Now set player health to 3 and set ID to 0. Then create a new block called create heart and run without screen refresh. Now in here, repeat player health, change ID by 1, create a clone of myself, and then change X by 28. And when I start as a clone, in here, show. Then if, or actually forever, and then if, and if ID is greater than player health, Then create a new variable called y for the sprite only. Set y to 0. Then repeat 25 times. And basically to make the fall effect, and then it'll delete itself. Then add in a change y by y and change y by -0.5 and change ghost effect by 4. And lastly, delete this clone. Now if you test it and change player health by -1, then as you can see, you'll have a nice effect. Now for the health losing system, go into ball, and then in here, remove this stop all and add in instead a change player health by -1 and add in a if player health equals 0, then stop all. And for the relaunching, leave these here, grab this, then create an event, broadcast new message, start ball. And when I receive start ball, then it will have this, and down here also broadcast start ball. And now if you test it, as you can see, you will still have the starting ball, and if you don't catch it, you lose a health, but you'll have another new ball that you can launch. Now for the levels, in bricks, create a new variable called level for all sprites. And in here, also set level to 1. And create another variable called brick count for all sprites. And set brick count to 0. Then in here change brick count by 1, and down here change brick count by -1. And if add in a if, and if brick count equals 0, so all bricks have broken or braked, then change level by 1 and add in the create brick custom block inside here. And now in here, changing the switch costumes into a if else, and now if else pick random level +1 equals 1, switch costume to normal, if pick random 1 to 1 equals, or 1 to level equals 1, then switch costume to spawn ball, and lastly pick random 1 to level +3 equals 1, then switch costume to strong, and put this back here. make sure it's in the right place. Now if you test it, as you can see, there will be a level, and if you complete the game, then the level should have a new one. As you can see, it will spawn a new level. And now for the level indicator, paint a new sprite called level indicator. And in here, add in text, level, make the fill white, and add in an outline the same of the fill to make it a nice bold outline. Then move this to the last L like this, and name it L. Then duplicate, name it 1, and put 1. Duplicate 2, and repeat this until 9, and then add a 0. And once you're at 9, rename it to 0 and put in 0 like this. Now in here, when green flag is clicked, switch costume to L and go to, actually instead, hide. Then in here, going back to bricks, broadcast new message, update level. And now in here, and also put in update level down here. Now back in level indicator, when I receive update level, then go to -180 and -160, so then it should be in the corner. Then create a new variable called digit for the sprite only, set digit to 1, then repeat, actually instead, add in a repeat here, delete this clone to clear any clones, then create a new block called create clone, and run without screen refresh. And now in here, place this here, then add in a repeat, then length of join L, and then level. And now switch costume to letter digit of join L level. Then create a clone of myself, change digits by 1, and change X around 16. And when I start as a clone, show. Now if you test it, as you can see, it creates the level. And if you play the game, everything will work. Even the lives will work. If you test the lives, it will work. And levels. If I complete the game, then the levels should change, and same with the indicator. As you can see, the indicator changed. Now you have a nice brick breaker game with levels and health. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.